Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I'm here with my new student again, and as you can see, she's doing extremely well. Yeah, let me just show this thing here. Alright, so we're heading down to Dania Beach, or Dania Beach area. Right, so I'm gonna do a short video. Again, please subscribe to the channel. Press that like button and press that notification bell, please. Alright, and share it to your friends, because again, we're trying to grow this thing as fast as possible. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how well she's doing. We're gonna just do a short video going down into Hollywood and then on to Dania. A lot of students, when they come on this road, they're like, "Oh, we're going on the highway."
Are we?
No.
Oh, okay.
I know you're thinking.
In my mind, I'm just like, where are we going?
Like, this looks like the highway. That's not cool. No, this is federal highway. Okay. It says federal highway, but it's not really a highway.
Are you still going like 40 or?
Yeah, the speed is fine. That's the speed limit here. I think is between 45 and 50. But yeah, you drive at that comfortable speed. So there's the Fort Lauderdale Airport, Fort Lauderdale International Airport. Yeah, this road looks kind of big and wide and highway-ish. But yeah, it's not a highway.
Intimidating.
Yeah, it's not a highway though, because it's got the stoplights and stuff. They don't have all of that here because of the airport. Yeah, this airport has grown so much.
My mom actually works in the airport.
Yeah, she does?
Yeah.
She works for an airline company?
Yeah, she's a manager for Southwest.
Cool. So you get cheap flights?
She actually is not allowed to get free flights.
What?
So, yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Isn't that weird? She's a manager and she doesn't get free flights. And most of the people that I know that work with any airline, get free and ridiculously reduced prices for even family members. So you don't get that?
No.
What?
United is like a private company, so like.
Oh, so they're not publicly traded.
Yeah.
But I mean, that is the reason why they should do it. Like, what the hell? Like most of the airline that people that I know that work at the airline, they get free flights for themselves
and their kids,
and even friends. They can get significantly reduced prices for their friends. I'm surprised. I mean, they must pay well if they're doing all that. They're not giving you no benefits.
Don't even get free flights.
Yeah, no free flights. Like, what the hell? Okay, so I want you to, when we get a chance, we're gonna go over. We're gonna pass this light first, though, and then go over. Actually, we can stay here because we're gonna go down to Hollywood Young Circle, and then circle around. You know that area?
No, I actually never been here.
You've never been down here?
No.
You've never been to the airport? I know you've been to the airport.
I've been to the airport. I probably have been here. I don't
Yeah,
really,
we just the airport's right there, so I'm sure you've been down this way.
I should be more aware of my surroundings.
Yeah.
Did you see the weather yesterday?
Oh yeah, it was terrible. It's supposed to rain today too.
Yeah.
I have a girl at 4 p.m., a student at 4 p.m., and my 12 o'clock just canceled. So I text her to tell her that, I would like to move it forward to 12 because 4 is going to be rained out.
Yeah.
She hasn't replied yet, so.
Yeah, earlier is better.
Yeah, earlier is definitely better because today is supposed to be terrible. There's supposed to be flooding and whatnot. Okay, so there's the Dania Beach sign. Welcome to Dania Beach. They're supposed to be opening casinos. I'm like, wow.
Casinos?
I don't think I'm going to be going.
Yeah.
I used to go.
I wonder who's going to be going.
I'm not. I'm definitely not. But yeah, they say they're opening the casino. There's a casino down here too. Alright, so signal left and go to the left. Yeah, just like that. A lot less abrupt, but yeah. You want to do it like nice and smooth and gradual. But yeah, you look up here, you look there, and then you look in the blind spot. There's an ice cream place down here. That's supposed to be some of the best ice cream in South Florida.
Oh, really?
place called Jackson's. You ever heard
Oh,
of
I love Jackson.
it? Okay, so you have been down here.
Yes.
Really?
I really do like Jackson. Have you ever been?
Yeah, I've been there a lot. Well, not a lot because I'm not like a big ice cream person, but I've had lots of students. I was introduced to Jackson's by, a student. She's like, Henry, let's go to Jackson's. I'm like, what the hell? But actually, no, I've seen the guy that owns it, the old guy.
Mm-hmm.
They were featured on a Best in America thing they had on TV
Yeah,
a couple of years
everyone
ago.
from all over the world be coming to Jackson.
Yeah. They were featured one time. The guy that owned it, the guy that developed the whole situation, he died. But yeah, I saw him on TV many years ago. And then I came here with one student. And then I've been back a few times. Jackson's is right there. Yeah, their ice cream is actually quite good.
Their Sundays are like the best.
Yeah. And they always have like a line. Like
the biggest line. I think I have to, people wait for an hour.
Oh yeah, people wait. People just come and chill out and just wait.
Have you tried their food though?
No, I've never been inside. I just walk up and buy a cone and fill up. I mean, what kind of food do they serve?
American food.
Like, no. Yeah, I'm not going to be joining in the line for a burger. Not at all.
Yeah, they're not known for their food, so.
Yeah. I've never even thought about going inside, to be honest. I just pull up and buy ice cream and leave. Song with my son?
Yeah.
Did you watch it on YouTube?
Yes.
Did you find it?
Yes.
It's doing okay. I mean, making a song, honestly, the easiest part is making a song. Making a song, distributing the song.
Did you guys write it though?
He wrote the song. He writes everything that he records. And he writes for other artists also. So he writes the song. He comes up with the arrangements. He pretty much records it. Sometimes I'm there in the studio to, put my 2 cents in. And then we mix it, master it, and put it out. So it's all done in-house.
And songwriting is not easy.
It's really not. It's easy to criticize a song, but try to write one yourself. I know that. Cause, I watch him and sometimes I'm like, damn, bro. So the most I will do is like, if he writes the song, I'll probably, give him a few words that would make the lyrics flow a little easier or whatever. But
give him your advice.
Yeah, my advice on how to make, use better word choices.
It's good to get like criticism from like people that you know and stuff.
Yeah, because see, we own the company together, so I am really trying to make the song the best possible way. I'm not going to be just criticizing you just for the heck of it. You understand? So he understands that. So. And plus, he's my son, so even if I didn't own half of the company, he knows I got his back like that. So I just let him write, and he is extremely fast. Like, if you give him a beat, this dude will have a song on it like an hour. He'll just write a song and ready to record. Like he called me and he told me, "Yo, I just found this new producer that have these hot ass beats, right?"
Yeah.
So I'm like, cool. It's like, man, I've been here. Like, sometimes he's in the studio for like 2 days. He doesn't even leave. And he's like, I've been in the studio. I slept here. I've been recording. I have 2 of the songs already done.
Yeah.
Before I even hear the beat, he's got 2 songs done.
That is talent.
Yeah, so he's fast like that. Yeah, and there's this Jamaican singer named Sasha Dias. She's pretty good. Like, she dropped an album and he had 4 songs on the album, including the title track. Yeah, he's really quick at writing like that. So the new songs, the song that we just dropped, he just recorded it. I just heard the song a couple of times. Yeah, because he has sent
the one
me.
Yesterday?
No, that one's been released. The new one that he just dropped. Well, when I say drop, I mean it's out, meaning it's available for sale. Yeah, so he dropped the album. That's the song. Mm-hmm. We gotta do the video. But like I was saying, making the song, putting the song out, is the easy part.
I would not think that.
That's the easy part.
Yeah.
Marketing the song and getting it out to the wider public.
Okay. That must be different.
That's the big part, because that's where you would have to just get lucky and the song goes viral, or you have to come up with some strategy to pay somebody to play the song. And that is the bottom line. That is what people don't know,
Yeah.
because there's this thing they call payola. You got a radio station that actually charging you money
Oh,
to play the
your
song, which is illegal, but they still do it.
I didn't even know it was illegal.
It is illegal, but they do it. Yeah, I've actually personally been asked for money to play songs, so I know this. And yeah, it's not easy. And it's not like they're asking you for $1,000. They're talking $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. Slow down. Yeah, they want big money to play songs. So whenever you hear a song on, if it's not from a major artist, like that's already big and recognized,
Yeah.
because if you're big and everybody knows you, they'll play your song for free. Isn't that ironic? The people that can afford to pay for it get it for free. Just like, when people give basketball players and football players free merchandise. The people that could afford it gets it for free. It's always the case. Okay, slow down. We're gonna go right here because we're gonna go circle around to the beach. No, stay right in this lane. So yeah, if you want your song to play and you're a new artist, you have to pay. That's the bottom line. Or just put it on YouTube and somebody like it and it blows up. So we start off just putting a song on YouTube and make it available everywhere, right? And then I post that song in a lot of my videos.
Yeah.
So in the right lane, yeah, that song is in probably about 10 videos or more. And that's just my little way of trying to promote the song. But to get the songs out where everybody is hearing it is not nearly as easy as you think. Go this way. Just follow the road. And follow the road around this corner here. Stay in this lane though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this road is actually quite tricky. Hollywood Lakes. This road is so nice and wide and Hollywoodish. And it is Hollywood.
It's so nice.
It is actually Hollywood. It looks like Hollywood, California. Yeah, so yeah, we make the songs, we put them up, and then we try to figure out the marketing strategy. That's what we're working on. Making the song something that everyone hears, right? And I know in time, if nothing else, as soon as the more popular my channel gets, the more people will hear the song, because I have it on and videos that's gotten a couple of thousand views.
Yeah.
So eventually, and there it's on YouTube. It's getting some views, not nearly as much, because if I put the music video itself on my channel, it will get a lot more views. But I don't want to mix. I don't want to mix it. You know what I mean?
You don't?
No, I don't. I want to keep the record company separate from the driving
From the
school.
driving school? I think, yeah.
So yeah, we have an ACC Records YouTube channel. That we're gonna build that channel separate from the driving school. Just like my car channel is separate. I don't.
You have a car channel?
Yeah, my car channel is Exotica. I have like 8 videos on that, so that's new.
How many channels do you have?
3. Yeah. But the other 2 are like new. So it's years of building. They'll come, because the ACC Records channel will come when Sean blows up. That'll come fast once his songs are like playing everywhere. So
To the right?
yes. Beach is closed. Okay, so what the hell does that have to do with the bridge? Okay, the bridge is going up, so keep going. Alright, we're going into the left lane.
Now here's Nathaniel Gleischer, the head of cybersecurity policy at Facebook, talking on The World about the decision to take down the Plandemic documentary. One of the things that happened in there was that it suggested that wearing a mask could make you sick. That's
Really?
something that
Making a mask? Wearing a mask to make you sick? I'm not silly. Alright, so I'm not going to keep this video going too long. I said 10 minutes, we're about 15 now. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to end the video here. And again, as you can see, she's doing well. So thanks for watching the video. Please press that button again, the like button, the subscription button. Share the video, and I will see you on the next one.